Here we're looking at an Audi TT. The alternator clutch pulleys come off, so we've just removed this canister out of the way. I'm going to try and access it and get in here with a removal tool, get this pulley off, the rest of it, and replace it with a new one. So we've used an alternator clutch pulley tool to get this off, and we've got the replacement here. And what happens is this goes on the inside, that locks the pulley wheel from here, and then this will turn to new pulley and lock it into place. Turn it on by hand first, and then we'll get our tool on it and tighten it up. What we're going to need here is a 1/2 inch ratchet on the end of here to turn it, and then 17 spanner here to stop it from spinning around. So you've got to hold this one and twist this. So we've got that pressed against there. We can use the spanner here to tighten it. It's just a little bit slow, but we'll get there. A few turns. Now that's tight, you can get this out. Here's the tool we've used. It's a clutch pulley tool set. And here we've got a tensioner tool set with a 15mm spanner on the end. You don't have to use one of these, you can use the normal spanner. It just makes it a little bit easier. So we're going to get that on the tensioner here, like that, and then we can move the tensioner towards us and get the belt on. Move this forward, and then we can slip the belt over the new pulley. Now the belt's on there. Just going to slip this back onto the grommets where it holds in, and sort out these pipes, get them back in place. This one goes back on here, and we've got this pipe here which I've removed from this fuel line, or air line, sorry, is that? Yeah. Now we've got this boost hose, we'll put that back here. Over here you got a clamp which goes around the back, locks into place, and comes over the top. The bolt goes on. It's the same over here, slips over there, locks into place, and then you get the bolt back on. We've got this pipe to go back in place. Going to tighten these up, 7mm, 13mm. It's all on, spinning nicely.
car's been sat here for a few months, as you can see. Now he's ready to go, ready to leave, take it for a drive. Get subscribed to see some more videos. We'll be doing some roadside repairs daily. Thank you and goodbye.